Where's Markie? Markie?
There it is!
Ah!
It's a fun with Markie. Always fun with Daddy. Cookie with Markie and Daddy.
Hi!
Hi! We're gonna make a cookies.
Yeah! We already have, what is this?
Butter.
Alright, and this one?
Like brown sugar.
That's right. And we have a flour and we have what? Mixed cereal and nuts. Wow! Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help. Whoop. Put the light brown sugar inside the mixing bowl.
Yeah.
Alright, good job, Markie. And now it's time for us to mix it.
No. Uh-oh.
He's scared. Don't go too far, Markie. Come on, here. Do you want to turn it on?
No.
No? Okay.
Wow.
This is mixer. Mixer is round. Mixer is round and round.
It's rolling.
Yeah. So we're gonna beat the butter and the sugar until it creamy. Mix the flour and this one. What's this? Are you baking
Baking
powder?
powder.
Baking powder. Here. Yeah. And then add some salt.
Salt.
Yes. Alright. And then nutmeg powder.
This one.
Yes. Nutmeg powder. And cinnamon powder. Yes. Mmm. The aroma is so yummy. Now we're gonna use the whisk and stir it. Mix all the flour and powder. Yeah. Here. Put it all of the flour. Yes. All of it. Alright. Now we're gonna stir with the spatula. Yeah, stir the dry mixture with the spatula. Until it combine like this. Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to add all of it, it's okay. You can do it. Careful, 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 careful. Yay! Good job! Vanilla? Vanilla extract.
All of it.
All of it.
Yay!
It's done. Sekarang kita campur lagi sampai merata. Wow, lihat deh. Tuh, adonan cookiesnya udah jadi. Nah, kita matiin. Open the mixer. Kita pakai apa ini?
Sendok.
Sendok. We have how many spoon?
1, 2.
Yeah,
Two
2 spoons. Alright. Kamu mau coba adonannya?
Iya.
Biasa kalau cookies itu adonannya harus enak dulu. Kalau adonannya nggak enak, berarti cookiesnya nggak enak. Tapi kalau adonannya enak, cookiesnya enak. Do you like it?
Yes.
Pakai apa, Markie?
Oke, sendok.
Pakai sendok. Ada 2 sendok. Kita bisa bulat-bulatin deh. Markie, look at this. Oh,
A big one.
big one. Kamu mau yang besar apa yang kecil cookiesnya?
Yang besar.
Oke, yang besar.
Wow, gede banget.
Gede banget. Mau lebih gede lagi nggak?
Iya.
Mau lebih gede lagi?
Iya.
Oke, tambahin lagi dikit. Oh.
Ini.
This is so big. For Markie, for Mommy, for Daddy, and for Dede.
Yeah.
Oh. Kita masukkan. Di sini suhunya 150 derajat. Kita akan bake
Ini.
16 menit. Ya. Yeah. We will wait for cookie.
Wait for cookie too.
Nyanyi dulu dong. Nyanyi dulu dong.
Titik bunyi hujan di atas genting. Air turun tidak terkira. Cobalah tengok tahan ting. Pohon tertutup rasa semua.
Yeay. Where's Markie? Markie? Ah. Hey, cookiesnya sudah jadi. Oh, cookies. A few moments later.
Few moments later.
Sambil nunggu cookies dingin, how about we play a puzzle?
Yes! Wow!
Banyak sekali. Di sini ada sayuran, ada buah-buahan. Wow, that's right. Put it in the box. Put it in the box.
The green box.
Yes. And how about
A cherry.
a cherry? Is this a cherry?
No.
No?
That's it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
Wow, that's right.
Put it back in the green box again.
What is this?
It's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Bahasa Indonesianya?
Lah,
Bu.
bukan. Itu salah. Sulapu.
Wah, sudah hangat. Yeay! Markie mau cookies?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm like a rainbow.
yeah. Let's try a cookies. Do you like it? Oh, what is that, Markie?
Mail.
Yeah, you're right. Makan cookies ini lebih enak kalau misalnya dicocol sama susu. Tuh.